It's a 2009 Hyundai Sonata. Live comfortably within your means, very comfortably in this beautifully designed Sonata. You'll look forward to every drive with features like these: external memory control, power windows, manual tilting steering column, 8-way driver's seat control, air conditioning, inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, and power heated mirrors. Auto Week writes, the Sonata is no sports car, but it is powerful enough to keep your attention, while the suspension front double wishbones with coil springs, rear multi-link with coils is firm enough, and the steering responsive enough to keep you engaged. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Thayer Honda is happy to pass the savings and quality on to our customers. Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 1019 North Main Street in Bowling Green, Ohio.